In this video, I'll be giving you a quick tour of SolidPlant 3D, the most comprehensive solution for plant design on top of SolidWorks. I'll start off with the structural design. I'll set up a simple 3D grid as a base for this demo project. Now that the grid is done, I can easily attach a flight of stairs by using a stairs template. By just a few clicks, I can position the stairs to my liking. Next up is a platform on which I'll place some hand railings and a ladder. As you can see, all this can be done in minutes. I'll add hand railings to the other sides too and complete the structure by adding the floor plates. A pipe bridge can be created with great ease. Now, let's place some equipment in our project. I'll go for a horizontal vessel. I'll place the nozzle so I can later connect it to a pump. Speaking of which, let me bring in the pump while I'm at it. First, I'll adjust the nozzles to their right sizes and then I can place the pump right under the structure. I want the nozzles to be on this side, so I'll flip the pump and then duplicate it. And let me bring in the vessel and we're ready to place some pipes. SolidPlant offers 3 ways to do pipe routing, of which manual routing is the most straightforward. I'll just start drawing a line from a nozzle to another nozzle. I'll select the components and turn the line into a 3D pipe. Of course, I can still adjust the routing whenever required. The second possibility is auto route. Just by choosing a start and end nozzle, SolidPlant will automatically draw the line for you. After choosing the components, again the 3D pipe will appear, which can be adjusted at any time. The third routing option is called Smart Route. A 3D pipe will be created just by selecting a start and end point from the list. In this case, the storage tank and the pump. I'll just add a bit of manual routing to connect the middle pump as well. With our groundbreaking new feature called Multi-Route Navigator, I'll be able to generate multiple route lines at once. Just selecting a start and end point for every line, SolidPlant will show you all the lines, saving a lot of time in the process. The lines can then be converted to a 3D pipe. A vital part of any plant design solution is the output documents. SolidPlant has this covered with the industry standard of isogen by alias. Another output document is the general arrangement drawing. In SolidPlant, this drawing is generated automatically with the AutoGA function. The program will check all the different views and produce the drawing with all annotations within seconds. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in SolidPlant and want to get a more in-depth look, please visit our website.